Well, I posted about this the other day, and it's obviously true since Paula happened and we saw him racing, I should say. But it is Time Masterpool racing for Pro Circuit. Which in the comments below, I want to hear from you guys. Good idea, bad idea for him moving from the 450 to the 250. Obviously, on a factory ride is obviously always going to be a big step up. Let's be honest. But let's see here. Somewhere I read it says, quote, PR race team welcomes Ty Masterpool to contend the 2024 AMA Pro Motocross Championship. So that to me sounds like he's got a ride for the whole summer, not just a fill-in ride for Hammaker and McAdoo being injured. But sadly, in typical Kawasaki fashion, the let's say PC curse hit him, and I think it was the first race. Correct me if I'm wrong there with that big crash, and it just kind of sucks to see that. Like, I don't think he got injured. I don't think anything happened from it, but it's still just one thing you don't want to see is people crashing. When you already have a couple people injured, you're bringing in fill-in riders. You definitely don't want to see a big crash like that. And I mean, good for him the way he actually crashed. He didn't like faceplant into the bike or faceplant into the ground super hard. So, overall, not the worst thing in the world. And he did get up and start the bike again. So, not horrible, but I'm excited to see how he does. Oh, in the comments below, I want to hear from you guys. Do you think he finishes in the top 5? Does he get a podium? Does he, where do you think he finishes this year? Obviously, this is a big chance for him being on a factory bike again and racing. But in the comments below, you guys tell me, where does he finish? Are you excited for outdoors? Who do you think wins it overall, total, whatever it is? Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helps me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.